we're back. So we've cooked our Play-Doh, and as you can see, you should be able to just squish it together in your fingers. You can squish yours, girls, because it's cooled off enough that we can use it. So the girls are going to show you some things you can do with Play-Doh. We'll start with Carissa. Carissa's using a roller to roll the Play-Doh out flat. Roll. And then she's going to make a rabbit. Let's pull it up so you can see. So here's a little bunny with ears so funny. At the first sound he hears, he perks up his ears and he jumps in his hole in the ground. Here is Chris's bunny, made out of Play-Doh. See if we can get his ears. Oh, I ripped off his ears. And then she can use scissors to cut Play-Doh, or another way to cut Play-Doh is a knife. Next we'll move over to Hannah. Hannah's going to make, what's that called? Cupcake. A cupcake. Love cupcakes, they're delicious. So she puts it in the cupcake paper. Could we put some icing on it, Hannah? Put some icing. And pretend to eat it. Delicious. And Hannah is also going to make a Christmas tree. Show how you push it in the Play-Doh. Push hard. And a Christmas tree. And another thing Hannah's going to make, we'll just borrow some Play-Doh from Carissa, is a teddy bear. When she's made a teddy bear, we'll sing a song about a teddy bear. So she's pushing it down with her hand, making it flat. Pushes the teddy bear cutter in. Lifts it up. And we have a teddy bear. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, do up your shoes. Teddy bear, that will do. Well, we hope you had fun with us making Play-Doh today. And we will see you another day. So let's say goodbye, girls.
Bye.
Bye for